Nobody likes a slow website, not you, not Google, and not even your customer. Slow websites are the reason why potential clients or your website visitors are bounced away from your website. Hi, you're welcome. My name is Chris, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily and freely 10x your WordPress website speed. Okay, so before we do that, let's quickly head over to Google Page Insights. Let's open another page, open a new tab, head over to Page Insights. Page Insights by Google. We open it. So I'm going to copy the address of our website. I'm going to copy the address of our website and paste it here. The reason is to determine how our website is faring. See, Google Page Insights will show you the experience of your visitors. When people come to visit us, how do they see your website? How do they how their experience is in your website? This is basically what Google Page Insights will show you. So click on Analyze. So this tool will analyze this website and show us what our users are experiencing. Let's wait for it as it loads. Still loading. Okay, so you can see this is the mobile version of this website, and this is the desktop version, as you can see. So this performance is 23%, which is very bad. Normally from 49 and below is very bad, or from 50 to somewhere 80, 70 is fairly good, or from 90 to 100 is very okay. As you can see here, this is green, this is fair, and this is very bad. Alright, so before we go ahead and speed up this website, let's explore this matrix here. You can see, we see here first contentful paint, largest contentful paint. This tells you the time it takes before you start seeing the content of your website. Before any content appears on your website, this is the time it takes. So it will basically take 2 seconds before my users can see anything on my website. The largest contentful page shows the time it takes for the largest element in your website to show. And in my case, this is 4.6 seconds, which is also bad. So total blocking time is time it takes for your website to become interactive. Okay, yeah, maybe you have had this experience, you visited their website, the website has loaded, but you cannot interact with the website. So the time it takes for the whole website to become interactive, something like you can click a button or do anything on the website, this is what total blocking time is all about. And the all other metrics, you can scroll down and see every other metrics there. Okay, so you can also see the desktop version. You can see SEO is 77%, the performance is 46, which is still bad. So let's move ahead and 10x the speed of this WordPress website instantly. Alright, so you open another tab and type airlift.net. You click enter. Alright, so this is airlift.net. This is a WordPress plugin that will help you optimize your WordPress and 10x the speed. Alright, so when you land on this website, the first thing you do is to sign up if you don't have an account already, or if you have an account already, you go to login. Alright, so you click on sign up. As for me, I already have an account, so it's logging me in directly. Okay, so once you land here, what you do is you go to add an account. You click on add a site, and here enter site URL to get started. You paste the address of your site, then you click on continue. Okay, the site will ask you to download the plugin. You click on this to download the plugin. As for me, okay, let's click so that you understand what we are doing. The plugin is downloading and it has downloaded. Please also note the name it downloaded with, because I already have it here. It's showing me Airlift 2. Okay, so the next step will be to head over to our WordPress dashboard, and then we log in and move over to the plugins. Add new plugin. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, you come over here and you say upload plugin. You choose file, then locate the particular Airlift plugin downloaded. In my case, this is it. I click on it and click open, and then you hit on install now. Let's wait as it installs. Okay, plugin installed successfully. You activate the plugin. The plugin is activating. Okay, so the site is automatically analyzing your site. It will show you what the analysis is now and what it will be after optimizing it. Analyzing. Exercise a little patience as it analyzes. Still doing the analysis. Okay, as you can see, this is the initial performance of your website. 40%. Stay configuring your site. Pause this video so that it will not be too long. I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, boom, the thing has finished optimizing, and as you can see, 97% as against 40%. Can you see that? So that is it. If you scroll down, you see other matrix. See the page size before, and you see after 1.0 MB. As you can see, it is still optimizing other pages. It is still optimizing other pages. So just allow it to work in the background. But scroll down and see other details. So that is it. That is how you easily optimize the speed of your WordPress website. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have not, please do well to subscribe to this video. Click the notification button so you'll be the first to see our next video when we upload it. God bless you and see you in the next one.